Hello InfoComm 2015. Mark Chakowski from Beale Street Audio here. Okay, so Beale Street Audio. Your InfoComm people are saying, who the heck are these guys? Well, we are a new loudspeaker company. Actually, we're a technology company. And what we do loudspeakers, because we all know there's a shortage of loudspeakers in the world. Obviously not. But what we have done is something that nobody else has done in our technology. We do a technology, or we've invented a technology called Sonic Vortex. Sonic Vortex is based on a design that has been around for many years called ported transmission line. So here's how it works. Ported transmission line is basically a long tube. It's a long port. And that port forces the air through at a high velocity, which gives you a really, really strong bass out of a small area. Well, that's not very practical for an architectural speaker. So what we've done is that we've taken that port and basically wrapped it around the inside of an enclosure for our speaker. Now, I say enclosure for a reason. It's not a back box. Our speaker is integrated with our enclosure, and we have a speaker here that is a opaque version of our speakers, which of course are black. So if you see the bottom here, you'll see where that Sonic Vortex starts. It starts in the center. It's a single port. Picture a tornado that starts where the magnet is inside the speaker and comes down to that port that's in the center. It breaks into 6 separate ports. I'll show you the side of the speaker. They go around these 6 separate ports, which we call fins, at a really high velocity, similar to what I explained a second ago, and then it exits out of 6 different spaces on the top. If you see those 6 different ports around the speaker. Okay? So that's what gives you this tremendous amount of bass, and very quickly you'll see these little rings here. Our product is also very scalable, so I'll kind of try to pull this apart. As you can see, this speaker is made with different rings, so we can have a more shallow version, we can have a deeper version. And then once they're put together, they're actually fused at the factory, so it's not like we crazy glue them together or anything. They are basically fused together chemically, and then you have that same effect of where the speaker information comes out through those ports. Okay? So, what else does that do for you? Well, again, for this InfoComm channel especially, besides the bass, which is evident, I mean, you really do have to hear these things to appreciate it. The other thing that Sonic Vortex gives you is this amazingly broad dispersion pattern and off-axis sound. Well, that's extremely important, especially when you put these things up in a ceiling, especially a high ceiling, so you have this clarity and actually this bottom end that really transmits through the room and covers the room very completely. So, you know, a schoolroom application, an office, a boardroom, and even larger venue places, you get this amazing sound quality out of these. Having the enclosure built in also keeps debris and stuff from going inside it. It gives you a consistent sound from area to area because sometimes the ceiling pitches are different or the cavity inside is different. So it's a very controlled sound, and it works the same way every single time. So there's a lot more to see, a lot more to learn. If you want to get some more information about our company overall, go to our website. It's www.getbeale.com, and Get Beale is B-E-A-L-E. So get real, get Beale, and thanks for watching.